Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cindy and I make all kinds of beauty content. So if that's what you like, then please subscribe and hit the notification bell button so you'll know when I upload videos. Anyway, today, in honor of the Singe Beauty launch tomorrow, I thought I would use the Agate Temptation palette. Now, I purchased this in the summer or fall, whenever, I don't know exactly when she had a sale for 25% off, and I got this palette plus the Succulent Dew palette, and I've already used the Succulent Dew palette, but this will be the first time for me using this one. Now, she does have a new palette coming out, launching tomorrow, and me personally, I'm not going to be able to afford it for a while because I've had some extra expenses and stuff come up, but I'm sure it's beautiful, and so I decided in honor of that, I would do the Agate Temptation today. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start off on the inner corner with this green here. Isn't that pretty? Now I did put concealer on my eyes, so to give the color a good chance. Oh, this is a pretty color. I think it was 2 years ago when this came out. I wasn't that impressed with it then, and I didn't get it. But then I did buy it on her sale, and I'm glad I did. So the next color I want to use is next to it. I think I want to use orange today. You can see I'm kind of wearing orange top. So that's what I want to use, orange. I'm wearing orange, so I want to use orange. So let's use this orange right here. Now I'm going to take it to the center of the eye. All the way to the end. I like that green. But I wanted to use orange too. I wanted to use both. I was kind of looking at the cover here, seeing what was complimentary, and I don't actually see any green next to orange, but that don't mean we can't do it. Now I'm just kind of blending this in. Looks like I got a little bit right here on my side of my nose. And it's been so long ago that this came up, I can't even recall any looks that people did. So I'm doing my own thing. Sometimes I kind of get in there and try to see what I can find, but I didn't today. I'm brightening up that orange. Got some yellow here, sort of a yellow mustardy color. I'm going to take a little bit of that. And that'll kind of be a blending. Get them blended together. Then I have to decide what I want to do for the outer edge. I'm going to brighten this green up a little bit more because I love it. Now, to brighten up the outer edge, I'm going to take the dark brown underneath the eye and brighten up the outer edge. The green, I do like the green, but I didn't think that the green would look good as a darkening color on the outer edge. That's the reason I chose the brown. I didn't want to get it all muddy. So I'm going to kind of blend this all in a little bit. And tomorrow we'll do another look. I'll probably just do a short. So this is not a new palette, but it's new to me. And anyway, maybe I can finagle a way to get the new one tomorrow. Under my eye, I got some concealer. Actually, this was a summer palette, and I was kind of, I didn't really think these were summer colors, but they are. And typically, I don't let the seasons dictate to me. It's just like I got that pastel palette, and I think I'm going to put that over there with my rainbow palettes. That would be like a good companion palette, like if you don't have a light shade of a color you need. Or I did, but I can't really see it being a standalone palette. It's more just a rainbow palette. Okay, now it's time for some shimmers. We got several green shimmers. We got this light green and we got this green. I think I'm going to start with the light green. It's on the same column as the orange and it might go a little better. Now I'm just going to take that over the green section. Now I'm going to take the other. Now I'm going to take this orange and put over the second half of the eye. Now I'm going to take some translucent powder and put underneath my brow. And then I want some more, is this the color we used? I want some more of this shade to just do a little bit more blending. I heard I was watching a video about the new palette, and it's someone that I don't typically watch. I don't know much about her, but she called this the OG. But no, this is not the OG. The first one was that Galactic Visitor, and I do have that palette also. Okay, I'm going to take this orange color and I'm going to put it underneath the brown a little bit, dust that out, and it'll go into the green a little bit. And then let's take this color here, put in our inner corner. That's pretty. All these colors are so good together. She does such a good job choosing colors. I was comparing this to the Olden's Eye. This is better than the Olden's Eye, which I bought her entire off Macari, the Olden's Eye one. So we'll have to do those. So this one kind of blended a lot with this one. Can't tell a whole lot of difference when they're together. It's time for us to work on the eyes. I'm going to do some eyeliners and some mascara. This is a black brown. I think that's one we use. I might use this underneath it. It's just some tube mascara and then some dark brown or some brown liner. Okay, I think we're ready to take off the tape and see what we got going on here. So okay, I think that's good. We're going to do. I'm going to use this You Can Be setting powder today. It's just some, it's kind of a light color to stick it under my eyes. I really have enjoyed my Glamlite powders, but I want to do something different today. I use my CoverGirl Skin Enhancer that I've picked up off Amazon because I couldn't find it at my Walmart. Use my CoverGirl bronzer too, just because I like it. I don't know that Singe has got any bronzers out. They've got some blush, and I will be using her blush today. Although it might not be the right color. Maybe when I make my wish list, I'll put another blush on there. Let's see how this looks. This is my Singe Beauty. This is sort of a peach color. It'll probably be okay. Especially it's on top of the bronzer. They had some more, several more shades. And then I'll use my Milani highlighter. I'll put some of this over my eye, on the brow. Give that some sparkle. For my lip kit, I'm going to use this Hazelnut Lip Kit from Glamlite. We hadn't used that in a while. It still smells like hazelnut, and it's been open a while. And this still smells like hazelnut too. Okay, now I'm going to use setting spray, but not right now. I'm going to do that off camera when we're done, because I just don't want to. I got too much stuff to do. Anyway, so how about let's fix our hair. I've practiced on this face buns and I've gotten a little bit better. So let's see if we can do a better job today. These face buns are synthetic. They're not real hair, but I think they do match my hair color real well, and they feel fine. They don't feel like plastic or anything. So I've got me some ponytail holders that are hopefully not damaging to the hair. I did like my hair yesterday. Did real good. You saw my video yesterday. I had a big flower in the corner of it. And the reason I did that is because you could see my mirror. I worked this morning to get a little bit different setup. I'm trying to just use one camera to do videos and be able to do both shorts and long with the same clip instead of two cameras. That's too much to keep up with, extra work, and I just don't have time for it. And so I've got a little bit different setup today. I need to rearrange this weekend some more, do some more decluttering. I did some decluttering last weekend. Anyway, I need to quit talking. Okay, so I'm pulling this one side up in a little ponytail. I'll probably take it about 3 times around. I guess you call these dog ears. That's what we used to call them. Okay. And I did do the spray paint on my hair because my appointment's not till the weekend. And I had some spray paint left. I think I'm going to start making my appointments at 12 weeks, and then at 4 weeks and 8 weeks do the root touch-up just around the crown and this, and that will help. She might not appreciate it. She'd probably much prefer me coming to her every time, but too expensive. Plus, I'm seeing an esthetician now, so had to slow some things down. So I've got my little dog ears. You know, if you didn't want to do space buns, this would be good enough, or you just put in regular clippies. But we're doing space buns. I did get one compliment when I wore these Tuesday to work, but it's someone that's very nice of me. The haters, they ain't saying nothing, but that's okay. And then I'm basically just fetching these up just like I would regular hair clippies. Someone at church said I looked like I had mouse ears. I don't care. We don't know how old he is. We think he's 90 to 100, but we really don't know because his age is a secret. He don't want no one knowing. So. Okay, so this is the space buns. I hope you like it. And this is the finished look too. I hope you like that. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Give me a like, give me a comment, give me some ideas. What would you like to see? Would you like some comparison videos like this, for instance, this compared with her Odin's Eye palette? Would you like me to do some Odin's Eye look? Which I definitely will. I paid for the palette, so I need to get my money's worth out of them. And anyway, we'll see you in the next video. You'll have a great day, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.